In order to download the CentOS 7 ISO image, go back to your favorite browser and open your favorite search engine. Here we will type CentOS 7. You will see this download link. Click on it. Once the page is opened, you will find this x86-64 link. Select that. Here you are presented with different mirrors from where you can download the ISO image. We will click on the first one. From the selection, select CentOS 7 x86_64 minimal. Minimal software version is actually a minimum software packages required to run CentOS 7. You will not get a graphical interface in this ISO image. Since we don't care about the graphical interface, we are good with minimal ISO. Wait for the ISO image to download and then we will continue further. We have downloaded CentOS 7 and Oracle VirtualBox. Back in the Oracle VirtualBox Manager, click on this new icon. In this window, under the name section, we will type server 1. From the ISO image section, select the image which we downloaded. Select skip unattended installation and click on next. On the screen, we have to assign a hardware to our virtual machine. Here we will assign 2 GB of RAM and 2 processors. Click on next. On the next section here, VirtualBox is asking us to create a virtual hard disk. Hard disk can be of any size. We will leave it to 20 GB. However, make sure you leave the pre-allocated full size unchecked. Otherwise, whatever size you define for the disk, it will be pre-allocated from your storage. For us, we will leave everything else untouched and click on next. This is the summary screen of the machine. We will click on finish. Shell VM has been created. So what we will do is we will click on start button. As soon as we click on the start, our new virtual machine will be powered up. Our VM has been powered up and you see this black screen where it prompts us to install, test or troubleshoot CentOS 7. By default, for the first time, you may see this dialog once you click on it. It's just telling you that if you bring your cursor inside, your cursor will be captured in the VM box window. In order to release this cursor, you will have to press the right control button from your keyboard as shown in here as well. Now click within the Oracle VirtualBox window and using the arrow key, select Install CentOS 7. Press Enter key. The CentOS 7 installation screen has shown up, so we will select our language in here and click on Continue. In the next screen, you can set up various properties such as date and time, keyboard type, language, etc. For us, we will choose installation destination to our assigned virtual disk. If you notice, this is the 20 GB disk which we assigned during the creation of this VM. Once selected, click on network and host names. Make sure you turn on your network adapter and click on done. Now the begin installation button has popped up. Click on begin installation. While the operating system is being installed, we will set up a root password. You can choose any root password. After entering it, click on done. The installation can take up to several hours depending on your underlying hardware performance. I will fast forward the video and get back to you guys once the installation is done. Our installation has finished, so we will simply click on reboot now. This will reboot our virtual machine and then we will be able to access the installed operating system. After the reboot, our server has booted into CentOS operating system. Here I can log in as the root user. So I will enter the login as root and the password which we configured during the installation. You can see we can successfully log in as a root user in CentOS 7. In the next lecture, we will clone this machine. Instead of creating a machine from scratch, we can utilize our existing VM. In order to clone this VM, we will have to shut it down first. So I will issue a command here, shut down space now.